Hey guys, it's Matt here. I'm down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and I'm reviewing the Wholesaling Inc Program with Tom and Cody. I first started the program back really in January of 2017. Since then, I did $102,000 in real estate transactions. That's what I made in fees last year, and the program's fantastic. It really is. It's changed my life. It's really got me in the game. I used to think I knew what I was talking about with real estate. But until I joined the program, you realize how to build a real estate pipeline. You realize how to negotiate. You understand how to do marketing, how to get consistent deals. You're not relying on anybody, realtors, brokers, agents, anybody like that to bring you deals. You're doing it all yourself. It is hard. It is hard work. But it is the best way to build a fortune fast. I know you've heard them probably say that when they talk about the program, but it is literally the best program for making money fast in real estate. Now, number one, it is hard. It's really hard. I'm not going to lie to you. It requires a lot of work, and it requires a lot of effort and discipline on your part. Number two, do what they tell you. You have to do exactly what they tell you. I was really kind of arrogant. I thought I could do better than they could. I thought I knew more about real estate, and the fact is I might have knew everything in the world about real estate, but if you're not doing deals, then what difference does it make anyway? So number two, do exactly what they tell you. Do the work, put it in, no matter how minuscule or mediocre you think it is. Like when they go and tell you to read that certain book, read the book. It'll change your life. And number three, tithe on everything. If I could take one thing away from the program that's really been instrumental in my life, it's been tithing. Since I've really started committing to tithing, my business has exploded. Now, I told you a little bit how much money I made last year. I do this part-time. I work for the family business full-time, and I do this part-time, and I was able to be successful in the program. At first, though, it started off pretty rocky. Like I said, I skipped around. I didn't do things in order like I was supposed to. I messed up a few things, but ultimately, it took me 6 months to do my first deal. So I didn't really do my first deal until June of 2017, and since then now my pipeline's full. I have more deals than I can handle. It's just been such a blessing for me and my family, which is just me and my wife, but and our cat. But anyways, it was kind of crazy. They really do care. They put in the time and effort and they really dig into who you are as a person to make sure that you succeed. It's a funny story. I missed my first call. I got cold feet. I scheduled a call. I was like, I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to get in the program. And then I thought, this is stupid. I think wholesaling's ridiculous. I'm not going to do this. I don't want to get into this. And I missed my first call. Big mistake. But through them kept reaching back out to me. They kept just pulling me along and getting me on there. And I finally got on my call. And it really all changed for me then. It was tough. The first few months were really tough. Mainly because I was so difficult. If you just do what Tom and Cody tell you, it will change your life. So I just wanted to make this video to show any of you guys who may be on the fence or who may even miss that first call, gotten cold feet or anything like that. I just want you to know that it is worth it and that you need to jump in and start today, and it'll change your life.